Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to fix something went wrong in TikTok Shop. First, let's see why it happens. Um, it happens for you if you have poor internet connection, or your app glitches, or your app is outdated, or if you have any server issues, or if you have cache and data corruption, or it happens because of VPN and proxy interference, or if you have any account issues, or if your app is has any incorrect permissions. So how you can fix it? First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection is one of the most common causes of the something went wrong error. Start by checking your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Ensure that your connection is stable and strong. Then restart the TikTok app. Sometimes simply restarting the TikTok app can resolve the issue. Close the app completely and reopen it. This can clear any temporary glitches that may be causing the error. Then clear app cache and data. Uh, Over time, cache data can become corrupted, leading to app errors. To fix this, clear TikTok's cache and data. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, TikTok, then Storage, then Clear Cache or Clear Data. On iOS, you will need to uninstall and reinstall the app to clear the cache. Then update your TikTok app using an outdated version on TikTok app cause compatibility issues. Check for updates in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and install the latest version of the app. Reinstall the TikTok app. If clearing and cache or updating the app doesn't work, try reinstalling TikTok. Uninstall the app and download and install it again from the App Store. This can resolve any issues caused by corrupted files. Then check TikTok server status. Sometimes the problems lies with TikTok servers. Visit websites like Down Detector or check TikTok's official social media accounts to see if there are any reported server issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back up. Method 7. Disable VPN or proxy. Using a VPN or proxy can sometimes interfere with TikTok's functionality. If you are using one, try disabling it and see if the error persists. Check app permissions. Ensure that TikTok has necessary permission to function properly. On Android, go to Settings, then App, then go to TikTok, then select permissions and enable all request permission. On iOS, go to Settings, then TikTok, and enable permissions. Then try sign out of TikTok and back in. Sometimes signing out of your TikTok account and signing back in can resolve the issue. Go to your profile, tap the three dots on the top right corner and select sign out. Then log back in with your credential. And most lastly is contact TikTok support. If none of the above method works, it's time to contact TikTok support. Go to app settings, then select a problem and describe the issue. TikTok support team will assist you in resolving the error. So that's it. That's how you can fix something went wrong